Boy, know you make me float, float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, 'cause you do.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Minnie. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I hope you stay and enjoy the great contents that I have to put out, okay? So in this video, I'm going to the hairdresser to do my hair because tomorrow is my father's award ceremony and I'm going. Yeah, so we're gonna do my hair today and let's see how the day goes. So remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on the post notification bell so each time I upload a video you can be notified, okay? Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at mini_Borel. So let's get right into this video.
Ain't this what you came for? Don't you wish you came more? Girl, what you playing for? Come on, let me kiss that. Ooh, I know you missed that. What's wrong? Let me fix that. Twist that, baby. Tonight's the night I let you go. Baby, tonight's the night we lose control. Baby, tonight you need that. Tonight, believe that. Tonight I'll be the best you ever had. I don't wanna brag. I'll be the best you ever had. I don't wanna brag. I'll be the best you ever had. Ain't this what you came for? Don't you wish you came more? Girl, what you playing for? Come on, let me kiss that. Ooh, I know you missed that. What's wrong? Let me fix that. Twist that, baby. Tonight's the night I let you go. Baby, tonight's the night we lose control. Baby, tonight you need that. Tonight, believe that. Tonight I'll be the best you ever had. I don't wanna brag. I'll be the best you ever had. I don't wanna brag. I'll be the best you ever had. Ain't this what you came for? Don't you wish you came more? Girl, what you playing for? Come on, let me kiss that. Ooh, I know you missed that. What's wrong? Let me fix that. Twist that.
Hey guys, I'm home. Yeah, it was a long day. We never do much today because but the hairdresser will do because my hairdresser did have somebody before me, so I had to wait. So here I am. I did my hair. Watch now. My ears will drop out. I did my hair. So as I was saying, I'm going to an award ceremony for my dad tomorrow at his workplace. So you know, I have to put myself together. So I went to do my hair because night came down I'm gonna go back in town early tomorrow to do my eyebrows and what else? To get a few things for tomorrow. Alright, so stick around for the big day. Alright guys, so I'm ready to go in town right now. I'm gonna get my eyebrows done and then I'm gonna pick up a few things in town and then we'll come home. By the time we come home, a time to get ready and all of that. So let's go.
Ain't this what you came for? Don't you wish you came more?
Question is why I do the things I do. Answer I may never find, but I'll always choose you. Wanna give up on you, but I know I can't. I put the blame on me for giving you chances to chance. And I try to be strong. I touch your face on the light this time. And I'll get it like the only thing that's saving you.
That is it, you know.
Hey man.
Night, I believe, you know. You remember, the sun will be there. Top that and that,
Yep.
Ain't this what you came for? Don't you wish you came more? Girl, what you playing for? Come on, let me kiss that. Ooh, I know you missed that. What's wrong? Let me fix that. Twist that, baby. Tonight's the night I let you know. Baby, tonight's the night we lose control. Baby, tonight you need that. Tonight, believe that. Tonight I'll be the best you ever had. I don't wanna brag, but I'll be best you ever had. I don't wanna brag, I'll be best you ever had.
yeah, yeah. Right there, man, believe, man. Top teacher, believe.
Alright.
That is it, isn't it? That is rich. That is it. And JC.
Alright.
We not friends.
Let's start with Team Donaldson after 3. 1, 2, 3. Make some noise. All right. So, I want that there in square, Marsha.
Category 4 hurricane, and we know her name? Beryl. Needless to say,
so we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on foot. Oh, we the rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings are coming like fun. But thank God for the journey.
Claire Magazine Distinguished Woman Award. She is the convener of the Jamaica Woman in Theatre Festival, which provides a space for the promotion and development of women in the industry. And the popular afternoon radio program, 2 Live Crew, on Radio Jamaica 94 FM. Delia is also one of Jamaica's best stand-up comedians. The co-franchise holder of Miss Jamaica World and Mr. World Jamaica. Delia believes in the growth and development of young people who are making a difference across our nation. We are pleased to welcome Miss Harris back to the Sandals Royal Caribbean stage. An exceptional motivational speaker, she continues to be. I present to you Miss Delia Harris.
So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on foot.
thank you very much. That was so beautiful. Holy pressure, but that was so beautiful. Sandals, how you do? Una hearty? If you feel as good as you look, then I know that we're in for a great night. Such expectation that you are the ones that fulfill. Hey, Marcia Griffiths, I was somewhere, she said, dreamland, yeah? And I said to somebody, said that nice, see everybody else dreamland, I wish where we live. Yeah, so every day we see it, we live it. It becomes commonplace to us, but to other people, it's a dream. You are their dream. When they see you, meet you, whatever you do, you are a big part of the realization of their dream. So in this dynamic world of hospitality, success is never a solo journey. It is built on the power of collaboration. Teams working together, departments supporting each other.
This set awardee is none other than The award recognizes individuals who have consistently received positive feedback and recognition from our guests or customers. This award highlights the exceptional qualities and contributions of team members who consistently go above and beyond to provide outstanding service and create memorable experiences. The winner of this award will receive a stay for 2 at a local sister property for 3 days and 2 nights, $250 USD, and the Cuisine Art air fryer and convection oven. That's a big deal right there. I'm telling you, Sundays will never be the same. To present this award, I'm going to invite our esteemed Pearl Guest of the Year are from the bar, Christopher Burrell. From entertainment, Chanel Thompson. From the Butler team, Dwayne Cooper. From entertainment, Shamar Campbell. Sheldon Patterson from the Butler team. man Lewin Ellis from the Butler team. From the bar, John Carlos Smith. From the Butler team again, we have Keno Lewis. We also have Andre Grant. And last but by no means the least, from the bar, we have Apollo Morris. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, nominees, whoever the winner is, remember, you now officially have the right to walk around and say, I am a legend. Alright? Ladies and gentlemen, the legendary team member of the year 2024 is, with a drum roll, with a very loud drum roll, from the bar, Christopher. So, Team SRC, guess what? But I cannot make this up. So check this out, Team SRC, I'm told that he made a song in the event that he wins. So, I'm going to give him the microphone to perform his winning song.
As you know, I thank you. Under myself and my team members, I thank you. I'll keep a big up. JC, big up. Jacob, big up. Chef, the big boss, big up yourself now, man. Sabrina, big up yourself. What do you mean? Listen, this is for Sanders. For you, my friends. Sanders has truly been good to me. Ever since the day I came here, met the whole family. I am truly happy. Yes, I'm happy cause it's so amazing to be loved. I serve you to the moon and skies above. And it's amazing to be. Never gonna let you down. Always here to serve you. You're gonna tell the peace now. You don't go. I'm never gonna let you down. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen.
All right.
Thank you!
So ladies and gentlemen, never saw that talent, never saw.
And may continue. Jamie, it's time. Courtesy Award. The Circle of Joy Award.
MVP. I know your fans want to hear from you.
All my fans.
Hey guys, I'm home. Tonight was great. Tonight was awesome. Yeah, my dad won the legendary award. One legend and I never two. Yeah, you see my voice hoarse up right now, guys. It's after 12 or to 1 in the morning. I'm gonna get some rest and I'll catch you guys in the morning. Okay? Yeah. Later, guys. Hey guys, good morning. My voice still hoarse up, but good morning. I hope everyone is doing good. Today is Jamaica Day. You know, I'm getting my daughter ready for school because she's gonna wear her Jamaican colors to school and you know have fun today. So happy Jamaica Day, everyone. Yeah, my voice still gone, but yeah. So I hope you guys have a great day today and just enjoy the vlog. All right, so I'll see you guys soon.
So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on foot. Oh, in a rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful.
Alright guys, so I just sent my daughter off to school. So I think that is it for the vlog. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. The award show was good. Like me feel good for my father. So yeah, I'm so proud of him. Yeah. The award show was good, and you know I enjoyed myself, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. So remember guys to like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on the post notification bell so each time I upload a video you can be notified. Okay, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at mini_Burrell. All right, so I'll see you guys in another one. Bye.